So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable double tap to turn screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select Advanced Features. From here, tap on Motions and Gestures, then you should see the option double tap to turn on screen. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever my screen is dark like this, if I ever double tap, then my screen turns on. So it's completely up to you to decide if you want it on, or if you choose to turn it off like this by tapping on the toggle, then you'll notice that even if you double tap, the screen will not turn on. If you have the always on display enabled, then the always on display will appear. So decide if you want to have this feature turned off or turned on. Once you've made your choice, you can just close the Settings app with the changes being applied onto your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.